Perfect. Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay. Oh, do you need to use the soldering gun for a second? You want to sand it? Perfect.
And then I'm gonna put the light in there.
I looked for a pair of tweezers. I couldn't find a pair of
There's some over there.
tweezers.
I thought you meant pliers. Whatever.
So with that shoved in there, try to push that plastic over on the sides.
I'm afraid I'll get your finger.
little bit.
Let's push it down in there with something. Here we go.
Okay, let's see.
Ooh, I did better.
Awesome. So if you get that side and that
You
side,
ready to
just kind of
solder
smush
again?
that plastic
Okay,
over.
yeah. I'm just gonna hold it and see if you can do it all but how any direction.
There you
I'm
go.
just gonna watch, okay?
Now do the other side too. Kind of drag it across. Yeah.
Yeah, you're. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get that back in there a little better.
Yeah.
You're doing good. It's just plastic isn't behaving. Okay, now do a little bit more. It's about in there. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
We do
Drag
solder
it
gun right back
across.
up. Look at you. High five. Perfect.
Just be patient. Let that plastic warm up, and I think
Touched
it.
the
You're gonna
end
do
of
it?
that soldering iron.
Okay.
Did you?
Yeah.
It hurts,
Hold
don't
it.
it?
I've touched it at
Very
my house.
carefully.
There.
That looks awesome!
There is a lit up spider,
Perfect
Mama.
video. Tell me.
Look at that. Oh.
Don't judge.
Let one get